I go to the introduction myself. My name is Wilson Sierra. I live in San Miguel Los Bancos. I study in the University International of Ecuador. I go to talk about the wedding in the Ecuador and war. Taking the field linguas out. Put on the veil are traditional that are performed, and the wedding meet, but you know. Fire out and decide whether or not you will use and the wedding or you drink. Please find below the most popular wise. Linguas blue. The custom of wearing something blue is believed to be really means happiness, good fortune, and loyalty, also associated with the sky. Preferable and linguists should use the color. The veil. It is used since the 18th century, was instituted by the Catholic Church to symbolize virginity, modesty, innocence, and the virtue of the bride. In some cultures of the it had to completely hide the face of the wife to the husband had ever seen. Throwing the bouquet. In the 14th century, France came to believe that the linguist refrain brought good luck. So the guest ran behind wives and the two always the linguist and the cook. To avoid these practices, business began throwing the linguist voluntarily. During the times it was replaced by the bouquet, the flower, the single women in launched. It is believed that whoever catches this will be the next to marry. Throwing rice. It came from the 8th where the sense and is a symbol of prosperity, therefore gets throwing rice and the new cow in the home and having many children. White dress, and it became fashionable for 1814 through the wedding of Queen Victoria of the England to Prince Frederick William of Prussia, in which she wore a stunning white dress and the peasant to mean purity virginity. Before this day, brides preferred the silver or blue. There are many more ways, but remember those they are part of the tradition. You can decide to change the original and make your wedding. It all depends on the your personal.